This is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to talk about submerged arc welding and robotics, something that doesn't normally go together. Submerged arc welding is a great process. Rather than a gas, we're running a powdered metal flux. Then we're running wires that are much larger than normal MIG wires. The only problem with submerged arc welding is it won't work upside down. The way we get around this is with advanced motion control. We have to coordinate the robot with the part. We've chosen submerged arc welding because we're welding blowout preventers. These can weigh up to 120,000 pounds. Big parts require a lot of weld metal, and that's one of the advantages of submerged arc welding. You're able to put down a lot of metal fast. But you also need a large robot. There's simply no commercially available industrial robot that will work except the ARC Specialties ARC-06. Everything's bigger in Texas, including the robot. What you're seeing here is we're simulating the bore of a blowout preventer. We're welding around the radius now. Once we finish the radius, we'll weld the straight section of it. That's actually an arc going in right now at about 20 pounds per hour. We're running a 532 wire. There's no arc, there's no smarks. This is submerged arc welding. It's a great application for robotics, but you need big machines.